Here's our new addition to our Truly Blessed Life homestead. We needed a pickup truck. We'd been renting trucks when we had to haul something. We have a Jeep, which has no room to haul lumber or wood or drywall or anything. And living up in Alabama on 6 acres, you need a truck. You have to have a truck, actually. So we ended up finding this 2015 Ford F-150 XL. It is 4x4, 91,000 miles, in perfect shape. I mean, everything in it's clean. All the service has been done up to date, and it was done on time every time. Complete oil changes, everything. They really serviced it. It's got a nice little bumper to it. Got your nice little 8,000 pound wrench to pull you if you need it. Nice tinted windows. Actually, they're pretty good. Pretty clean truck, as I said. It's got the full tow package, transmission, cooler, and all. It's got the heavy duty hitch, of course, and it's got every pin for it. The 4-way 7-pin. It's got all the hookups for towing. Little toolbox on it. It does have the backup camera and all that. It's even got a little side step to get in the toolbox. That's pretty neat. Step on that, it comes out. And then, of course, to put it back, you can just push it back in. So, like I said, nice little truck. Real clean. Got some style to it. And the inside, if I can find the key and open it, is in perfect shape. Like I said, real clean. I don't know what you can see on the camera. Does have the leather seat, backup camera, nice little stuff. 12-volt plug and the 110 inverter plug. USB plugs, of course. And while it's not a true 4-door, it does have the extra cab with a jump seat back here. We don't normally have people ride with us, but suitcase and groceries and stuff like that, it's actually pretty handy. All leather, door locks and windows, all the electric stuff. So it's a nice little model. We come across a great deal. We were able to pay cash, which made it a lot better. And this thing's great on gas. It's the turbo. It is a gasoline motor. It's a turbo thing on it, and it's just great on gas and got power. I think the rating's 8,500 for pulling. So it's pretty nice. And being 4-wheel drive, it does have the tow package on it. You can flat tow it. You don't need a dinghy, dolly, or nothing like that. It is able to flat tow, which with the motorhome is what we were wanting. And like I said, for Alabama, you got to have a truck. There's no way we've spent a small fortune renting a truck when we had to haul stuff. So overall, we're very, very pleased with it. And you can make your jokes about Ford or Chevy or whatever. 91,000 miles, fully serviced. Hopefully it's going to last us. And that's what we needed for Alabama. So it's a good little truck. We're pleased to have it. We're going to be up in Alabama for a month. And for Thanksgiving, we'll get to test it out. Make sure you follow us on our Truly Blessed Life on YouTube. Like, subscribe, and tell me, any of y'all got this model, or what do you drive? I mean, if you're living out in the country, like I said, we're on a little over 6 acres up there, out in the middle of nowhere. We're not, not in the city or nothing like that. You got to have a truck. The 4-wheel drive's definitely handy in that Alabama clay, which hopefully we don't have to use it. But what do you drive? I mean, how do you haul stuff around on your property? There's always something, whether it's firewood or timber or, drywall you need. We're doing quite a bit of work up there. What do y'all use? I mean, we got a little minivan. It fits in the little minivan some, but it's, it's a minivan. This will haul. This would, if we want to load up, we got 330-gallon water tanks up there. We go to artesian well to fill up. This will haul it, you know. This will do it. You need to go at, you know, we're an hour and a half from Lowe's or Home Depot and all. We need to have the room to haul stuff. So tell us what you do. Leave a comment. Tell us what you drive, how it works out. Do you like it? Would you switch it for something else? Or are you happy with it? This is in Florida right now. This is our place down here. But we're going to be going up there very soon. I think it's going to work out real good. I'm anxious to hear y'all. Seriously, what are y'all driving? You know, how has it held up to you? Any issues or something to watch for? So let us know. Leave a comment. Tell us. Be sure to follow us, like it, subscribe, and share it. Share it with people. Our Truly Blessed Life at YouTube.